I know what you're thinking. Curtis, did you just wake up? I did. I woke up and man, look at the bags underneath my eyes. Good Lord. My wife was been hungry for her grandmother's Bran muffins. Can't tell this fat man done got up and gonna make some Bran muffins. Follow along, I'll show you how to do it. All right, this recipe makes a lot. You can store it in your refrigerator for weeks at a time and just pull out what you need. The recipe calls for Nabisco. My wife's grandmother's recipe calls for Nabisco. However, you can't buy that anymore. So we use all brand. My mom's, Pat Compton's mom, used this, and that's what we're gonna use. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 2 cups of all brand. And then you need 2 cups of boiling water. Be careful with this. And you're gonna just let this soak. And you're gonna set this aside. Get all that incorporated and let it soak. All right, while that's soaking, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 1 heaping cup, and all I have is just 1 cup of Crisco shortening, along with 3 cups of granulated sugar and 4 eggs, and you're gonna cream all that together. Let me get that taken care of, and I'll be right back. All right, next what you need is you're gonna need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and you're gonna sift that together. And you gotta make sure you put your big bowl for this, because you're also gonna need, once that's sifted, 4 cups of your all-brand cereal as well. So let me get this all done, and then I will be right back to show you what else is to do. So that's 3. So I have it all mixed in together, and I'm just gonna give this a big mix. And then what we're gonna do then is we're gonna add our creamed mixture to this. So that's mixed. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cream mixture and add it to this as well. Just like that. I'm just gonna mix this with a spoon. Then you're gonna need a quart of buttermilk to go in this, and then I'm gonna use a blender at that point in time. So let me get this mixed up, get my blender, and get my quart of buttermilk, and show you how that's taken care of. All right, I got my buttermilk out. You need 1 quart, which is 4 cups of buttermilk in here. Ooh, that's thick like my belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then you're gonna give this a mix. I'm gonna use my blender. And you're like, Curtis, but we still have that all brand mixture that we let set. Yep, that's gonna go in last. So let's get this mixed up. See, I told you this makes a crap load. All right, this is all nice and incorporated together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add our mixture of our brand that we set aside. Just stick that in there and then mix it all up as well. That's our last step. Make sure you get all that good fiber mixed in there. See, I told you it makes a huge amount. But again, this is gonna be good in your refrigerator, sealed in a container for weeks at a time. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get some muffin tins, and just tin this up. I got my oven preheated to 350, and you can cook it for about 20 minutes. An ice cream scoop, just put 1 in each one. And we'll bake these for about 15-20 minutes. Come out, you can't tell this fat man doesn't put this, some fresh honey or some butter. Ooh, gonna be good. While this is baking, I meant to tell you also while I was in the mixture, you can add like walnuts or pecans in this. Oh man. Again, this is gonna, and you actually still can, because of the fact that you can put this in your refrigerator. It's gonna stay, hold on, I'm gonna show you. You still there? Okay, look. This is what it made. It made this huge thing. So you still can add pecans and walnuts in that. And boy, you can't tell this fat man nothing. That's going to be good. And when this comes out piping hot, some butter and some honey. Heaven. I'm telling you, heaven. They're out. And look, I even used a pot holder. I'm getting smart. I'm not using my bare hands on this hot stuff. Let's plate this up and taste one. Oh, you can't tell this fat man nothing. I'm telling you. When I know it is good, and this is good. Okay, it's ready. Got my muffin. I'm gonna peel it a little bit. Ooh, it's piping hot. Got me a little butter in there. Just a little bit of butter. Take the top off and stick it in there. Let that melt a little bit. Got me a glass of milk. And go in for the kill. Just like I remember Miss Faust's. That's so good. Oh my word. You can't tell this. You know the words. If you like stuff like this and like seeing me up early in the morning making my bride her grandmother's favorite Bran recipes, follow along. Like, follow, share. Until next time, can't tell a fat man nothing. Bye.